Hello you! Welcome to my channel, and for today, it's the Lenten season, so we decided to go to Dahilayan. Yay! I think it's already 7:51. We were not able to leave early kasi masyadong maulan kanina, but now the sun is shining. So full gear ahead! Still don't know how to wear this. Of course, 7-Eleven. We're already at Kabadbaran. Like, pila na taka-percent? Like, 30% pa sa desired destination. Punta ako 7-Eleven. Hanap ko ng trolley. 7-Eleven haul! I bought the flower seeds. Short candy! What else? Gummy candy. Frutos.
Nya na ni abrikan. Kung kana nya na ni okay.
Okay, that's it. Stop over because it's very tiring and my butt hurts. Found this spot in the sari-sari store, the Lumpia. Lush. This was my favorite when I was in kinder, and then super crunch na yellow. We're at Carmen. 45% pa from our final destination. We made a stopover sa Claveria kasi malakas yung ulan and it's foggy. So, wait, bugnaw. So, we decided to have lunch na lang din and we're having pachoy. This costs 60 pesos but ang rami na niyang laman and masarap naman siya kaso it's quite maalat for me. We also have sikwate, like basta chocolate drink, legit cocoa chocolate drink, and it costs 30 pesos. It's raining hard! Kinda tumila ng ulan. It's cool. Brings back memories just like in Marawi. This is how it feels